All right, so the first site is our Inboxdollars site. Once you get signed up, you'll see these offers along the top. There's many of them to choose from. What I do is I go to surveys. Once in surveys, I just go through and keep clicking these. Some of these you will get kicked out of. It is just the way it is. There's everybody, it happens. But they have so many that go around that. So I've gone through this whole list. This is my second round today that I've gone through. I've already done a list already today, and it is 7:04 p.m. in the afternoon. All right. So then you would just click there. I'm not going to click it because it's going to screw my as I have to click out of it then. All right. So that's what I do. I do these other offers as well, some of the games. I don't shop anywhere, but there's plenty of more to do on here. I mean, there's special bingo, there's sweepstakes. But I just mostly on this site go for the surveys. So that was Inbox Dollars. Next video will be on freecash.com. Hold up.